We are here at the Holiday Inn in Kansas City, Kansas. As you can see, a whole bunch of college students getting off that bus. This is a road trip to see my niece's lacrosse game tomorrow. So they just beat us by a couple minutes and we're all staying at the Holiday Inn. So yeah, lacrosse road trip. So it was about 4 hours from my house. Long drive, definitely ready to check in. And there is a mall right next door with the Dave & Buster's, so you know what we're doing tonight. All right, Holly's checking us in, so I'm gonna see the Holiday Inn Express. They have, right when we walked in, I'm like, it smells wet. It's because there's a pool right here. So that explains it. Pool with a hot tub attached. Small but cute, I like it. And then there is a fitness center. Couple machines, 3 machines, not bad. And there's the pool, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And there's my twin and one of my nieces. All right, so Holly has Holiday Inn points. I think she paid for this room. I'll have to ask her how much she paid. But she does Holiday Inn Express. I do Marriott's. So that's the lacrosse bus. We're just staying here because of lacrosse. It's not, I don't think there's anything nearby like touristy besides like the mall. But honestly, this room looks pretty nice. I am impressed. I like it. Fridge is right here. A little separate microwave fridge. Usually in the hotels I stay at, they're over here, so I like that. All right, here is the bathroom. So it was, Holly said it was $150 a night after taxes, which is pretty good. And okay, so here is the toiletries and it's locked. That means it's,
I got it and it does kind of great.
So so it's safe to use. So anyway, Holly said she got a discount because she is part of their program. Like I do Marriott, she does the Holiday Inn. And so if you ever get sucked into TikTok, people will tell you horrible things that people put in these when they're not locked up. But it's locked up, so safe to use. Because unfortunately, there's a heckload of creepy people in the world that do stupid shit. So, very nice room though. It's the next morning and we are taking the stairs for our free breakfast. So yesterday we used the elevator a couple times and it sounded a bit sketchy. And it always took forever because there's one elevator for this 3-story hotel and there's like 3 sports teams here right now, so it's very, very busy. So we just started taking the stairs. Well, it turns out the elevator broke sometime in the middle of the night. So everyone has to take the stairs now. I don't mind taking the stairs, but I knew something was wrong with that elevator. It definitely sounded a little spooky. So overall, I really liked the room. The bed was comfortable. Sound-wise, AC worked really great.
Water pressure was good.
Water pressure's great. Sound-wise, I didn't hear anyone. I was worried because there's 3 sports teams, but no one woke us up in the middle of the night. So, oh, excuse me.
Oh, thank you.
So I definitely recommend. I'm sorry, I didn't even think about opening that door for that lady holding all the coffees. My bad. So yeah, I like this hotel, and it's the location. It's right next to a mall. There's so much to do. Definitely the Legends Mall. So, and the price was reasonable, and people are enjoying the pool at 8 o'clock in the morning. They're a little hard. Put an egg omelet on it.
Want some pork chop?
No, I'll wait.
That's really good dipped in syrup.
No. I'll just take a crispy looking egg omelet.
You want a cheese omelet?
A cheese omelet. The one on the back, yeah.
Like this?
Yes, one of the good looking ones that don't look crispy critter. Perfect. Oh, look at that cheese. Thank you. Did you grab me a fork by chance? No, I'll come back. They got Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes, red, what is that? Special K, bowl of cereal, They got a juice bar and my absolute favorites, fresh pancakes, chocolate milk. I'll grab some. They got chocolate milk. Can we just sit right here? Or
Yeah, she went.
I got strawberry cream cheese. I normally don't eat bagels, but I might just for the strawberry cream cheese. That's Holly's plate. That's my plate. So you have a lot to choose from. But as you can see, it's really busy because lots of sports.